I wish it was at Disney.
Well, let's go.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe that worked! Hello, adventurous travelers and friends, and today we're going to be talking about packing, which means I actually need to get back home. Thank goodness we came back because I need to pack. You can't go to Disney without all your Disney stuff, clearly. So packing for Disney is a lot like packing for any other trip, but everything's Disney. Anyways, I'm gonna start out with the outfits I wear at the parks. So I like to be comfortable at the parks, but I also like to be really cute because usually I'm getting those photos. So I have this dress. This is what I plan to wear to Magic Kingdom. It's a new dress I bought. I think it even has pockets, or maybe not. I might be lying to myself. But it's this cute little polo sort of short sleeve dress. Now I'm going in January right now. I'm going in December right now in the middle of 2020. So it's a little chilly in Florida. Chilly. As in it's more like low 70s at times, and every once in a while it can get in like the 60s or 50s. So I got this jean jacket to go with the dress, and then I'm also bringing, I've got two different options for underneath. I've got a pair of leggings if I really want to cover up my legs and keep them warmer. Or I've got these biker shorts. Now the biker shorts are because at an amusement park like Disney, you're getting up and sitting down a lot. You're getting on rides or you're sitting down at different eateries. Not everything feels super clean, and I don't always want exposed skin touching seats other people have been sitting on. So I like to wear biker shorts underneath dresses when I'm there. So these are the first outfit items. Now the next items I have are for my day at Epcot. Now the fun thing about going to Disney is if you're like me and you normally dress very conservative, I know you can't tell from what I'm wearing, but I don't usually wear a lot of like super bright colors and super like out there stuff, but when I'm at Disney, it's normal. And so I can really kind of push the limits of my own style, and I can wear leggings like these where they're covered in Christmas cookies and little Mickey gingerbreads. And so I'll be wearing this at Epcot, and I'm gonna pair it with this black tunic top. So very Disney right there. Now just to add extra Disney to our Disney stuff, I've got Mickey Mouse pajamas, and I've got a workout outfit including this super cute little Mickey and Minnie tank. I always make sure I bring a Disney jersey. I think this is probably one of the best things I've ever bought in my life. I wear it all the time. It's super comfortable. It looks like this. It says Walt Disney World on the back. If you live more like in California and you're gonna go to like Disneyland, they have them, but it'll say Disneyland on the back. So I'm gonna bring this too, and it's something that I just kind of like to have in case it gets chillier in the evenings or the mornings. And now one of the other things about Florida is rain is always an option, I guess. It could always rain. So every time I go to Disney, I have my ponchos. I bring one for me, and I actually bring one for my husband usually because he never remembers his. And if you are like me and you like to go to the resorts, maybe you're a Disney Vacation Club member, or you just saved up so you could go stay at a Disney resort, I always like to bring a swimsuit because they've got a lot of really cool pools around. They sometimes have hot tubs if it's winter and you are easily cold like me. So I always bring a swimsuit. Now last, for major clothing items, I usually bring two pairs of shoes. Now I actually tested both of these pairs of shoes at the Disney parks just to see how comfortable they were. And these are the winners right here. So we've got these Allbirds shoes. They're so comfortable. I absolutely love them. I wore them for like 15,000 steps all in Magic Kingdom the first time I ever wore them, and they were a breeze. And then my other favorite shoes are my Tevas. You can tell these are a little worn and well loved. And I like to bring these too because sometimes you want a little more airflow for your little feetsies when you're at Disney. So those are the major items right there. Then we've got the accessories. And of course the accessories are Disney too. So I've got a cute little Disney necklace. I actually got this at Kohl's. And fun fact, if you are near Disney World but you don't want to buy things at the Disney parks because it can be a little pricier, check out the Kohl's, the Targets, those sorts of things nearby, and usually they have some Disney stuff. Right now, because it's 2020, I need masks for the park too. They don't allow gaiters. They've got some specific rules, and I have some videos on social distancing at Disney that you can check out. But I've got this super cute little Christmas one because it's Christmas time. I just bought this guy. This one's more Halloween, but honestly, it's like one of the most comfortable masks ever. I will put a link below to where you can buy masks like this. It's not from the Disney parks, it's from a different distributor. And then my mom added a little Mickey Mouse to this mask, and it's nice in place and loose and comfortable. So you've got to have your Disney mask. You don't have to have this. You can use your ticket, but if you're a little extra, you can have a Disney band too. If you stay at a Disney resort, often you get a band. So I have a lot of these little gray ones that always seem to come, but I also bought a specialty one that I feel like is my little special one. It's at Adventureland. So I like to bring Disney bands. Right now I usually bring 2 since I have multiple, because that way if I lose one, I've got a backup. And this is what I use to get into the parks, and it used to be used for fast passes. Those aren't really in play right now. But if you're at a resort, you can also hook up your credit card to these, and then it's like instant pay for your Mickey bars and your snacks. Now I also have these fans. Now this is more useful in the summer when it's thick and hot in Florida. You're standing in line, there's no AC, you kind of put this around your neck and it just gives you a nice breeze. But this is actually my mom's, so I'm bringing this so I can give it back to her. But also, I might use it at the parks, and you might want it if you're not going in winter. And then lastly, for the accessories, I've got my Disney Day Pack. I made a whole video about what I like to bring when I'm at the parks, and this is my favorite backpack for it. You can always find a Loungefly at Disney, but they have different designs and things. So check out that video if you want to know what goes inside this bag. And there we have a magically packed bag. And the last thing that I need for this bag is my toiletries. But everyone does those a little different, so I'll let you do yours and have fun at Disney. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Bye, travelers!